start. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Cynthia and today I am going to be unboxing my Canon G7x Mark II vlogging camera. I got this from Argos. It is quite new and I am still adjusting to the camera. Okay, I got this from Argos. I have already opened it before, but I'm basically going to re-unbox it with you guys. And as you can see, it is the Canon PowerShoot G7 Max II Vloggers Kit. And it says here, everything you need to get started on your vlogging journey. Live for the story. And people who have known me for a long while will know that I love taking pictures. Like, that's just me anyway. Okay, in this box it states here that it contains the Canon G7x camera, and also it also contains a stand. In my opinion, these are solid. Okay, let's open it up for you guys, and that's how it looks like in the front and the sides. And here it says, your vision, your vlogs, your way. Guys, it is also Wi-Fi certified. It also comes with a memory card. And let's open it up, guys. Okay, and I got it from Argos, so let's open it up. When you open the box, this is how it looks like inside. I've got my camera there. So basically you have your Gorilla Pod. I'm just going to open this one up first to show you guys how it looks like. And that's how it's, yeah. As you can see. Okay, let's open it up. So that is how the Gorilla Pod looks like, and you can basically insert your camera here. And in my opinion, these are solid. It's not that flimsy, it's quite solid, and it's in black color. Next, guys, you have your camera. The camera comes in this box, as you can see. Right, let's just open it up. In this box, you have your charger for your camera in there. That's the charger, and you need this basically bank to charge your camera. Basically, that's how it looks like. This is the Canon battery charger, and this is the battery, which it goes in here, and then at the back is where you add in the cable to charge your battery, and this is the cable that came with the camera. Okay, it also came with a memory card, a strap to basically hang your camera to your wrist, things like that. Strap the strap there or the other side. So yeah, and inside the box you have your booklets, basically in various languages. You've got your booklets there, and that's about it. And let's open up the camera. Comes like this. Let's open this up gently, and then voila, we have our camera. Canon PowerShoot G7x Max II vlogging camera. The screen can come up like so, and basically it can face you. Basically you can basically see yourself whilst you're vlogging, or if you're doing a sit-down video, you can also see yourself to just see that you're in the right angle, things like that. It also has this little button here, help you zoom to help you zoom at your object. So guys, that's about it. With this camera. And currently I am still studying the camera, so let's see how it goes. Price wise, this one costs £499 from Argos. And yeah, that's on the back. So that's your basically setting button. To put the camera on, that's the on button down there. You have the on and off button down there and various settings. And you've got your menu setting here, and to record, basically you just press here, and then to delete your videos, you've got the delete button just there. And basically that's about it for this Canon G7X Mark II vlogging camera. One thing I don't like about this camera, I don't know if it's just this one, but let's see how it goes. The voice setting is kind of funny. I think it catches all the sounds in the room, even the wind blowing, it picks up that, and it's kind of, it gives a kind of echoing sound so far. But let me see how it goes, and if it continues, I don't know, I hope. So that's about it. So when you put the on button on, the lens does extend out. And one thing I like about this camera, you can basically flip the screen to face you so that you can basically see yourself and be at an angle you want to be at while you're basically vlogging, or if you're doing a sit down videos, like I have been doing loads of sit down videos for now. And yeah, but I do, in my opinion, I do like this camera. And yeah, it also has a built-in Wi-Fi, as you guys can see, so this makes it easier for one to transfer their photos onto their phone. However, I am still getting used to it. And let's see if those voice issues which I'm struggling with does stop. Okay, there is a little button here. This helps you basically to zoom into your items and also zoom out. Okay, I think I am doing a review here. This is an unboxing video. Okay, so guys, that's about it for now. Thanks for watching. Until next time, guys, keep striving to better yourself than you were before. And all you need, guys, all you need is just those baby steps. If you do like this video, please do give it a thumbs up, because that does help my videos with regards to YouTube. And please share the video. You never can tell, someone might find it beneficial. Until next time, guys, bye.